look at the beach. Beautiful. Look. This is our hotel right from us. This is our patio. Look at it. A lot of space. It's nice and big. This is our room in there. Our Roseanne looking through the doors. This is so nice. The beach is only about a block down from our side room. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful view. At night the ocean comes all the way up high though. It looks all scary. But it is nice. So there is the, oh my goodness. Down there's the beautiful gardens on the whole side of the place. Really nice. Yeah, it's really been beautiful so far. Having a great time. I think I'm still taping. Yeah, now I'm going to the room. Since I'm still taping.
How'd you get the call?
This is everybody in the room.
From our room?
There's Vucili.
The only reason why I got locked out the second time is because I wanted to tell her.
Hi, say hi, Gigi. Hey, Petty. You watching cartoonies? This is our room. It's a little bit messy right now. Over now.
That's not a walkie-talkie.